The internet is an essential part of modern-day learning, allowing students and teachers to collaborate remotely, look at pictures of cats, and explore the vast wealth of human knowledge available online. Wait, maybe we don't want those cat pictures. Too distracting. With Jamf Safe Internet, IT administrators and educators can protect students from inappropriate, unproductive, and malicious content while online. My name is Andy. Let's learn how Jamf Safe Internet works, then take a quick tour of the web interface. Jamf Safe Internet is a content filtering and security solution purpose-built for education. Safe Internet allows students to browse the web safely by offering educational institutions customizable content filtering and network-level threat protection capabilities on student devices. With Safe Internet, we can enable filters for dozens of content categories, including games, social networks, and adult content, allowing us to curate an appropriate browsing experience custom-tailored to the unique needs of our students. At the same time, to ensure students are protected from other web-based threats, Safe Internet enables security protections against phishing attacks, spam, and network-level malware. Safe Internet can be used to protect iOS, iPadOS, and macOS devices, as well as Chrome OS and Windows devices. While deployment requirements vary slightly between operating systems, Jamf leverages DNS filtering on all platforms to protect student privacy, device performance, and battery life, all using Apple-approved DNS over HTTPS or DOH encryption. Deployment of Safe Internet is done by leveraging a Unified Endpoint Management or UEM solution, such as Jamf School, though other UEM solutions can be used. Once Safe Internet is deployed, student traffic is securely vectored through the Jamf Security Cloud, where traffic requests are compared to content policies configured in the Safe Internet portal. While non-violating web traffic is allowed through the filter, students attempting to visit disallowed content are instead redirected to a block page. And to ensure speed and reliability of the student browsing experience, Jamf has security cloud servers located around the world. Now that we know how Jamf Safe Internet works, let's log in to the web interface, or portal. To sign into the Safe Internet portal, visit safe.jamf.com. Then log in with your Jamf ID or email address and password. After logging in, let's check out the dashboard. The Safe Internet portal is where IT administrators configure content policies, gather deployment resources, and generate blocked content reports. Here on the dashboard, we can find all kinds of useful information. We can see information about our total enrolled devices, as well as a breakdown of those devices by operating system. We can also see the total web connections, the top 5 content categories visited, and the number of pages blocked. In the top right corner, we can use the Date Range Picker to adjust the data displayed on the dashboard. Finally, we can navigate to deeper features and configuration options with the menu on the left, including viewing protection policies, creating reports, and modifying settings. For those who work as part of a team, adding additional IT administrators to manage Safe Internet is essential. Safe Internet allows us to create accounts and configure the appropriate permissions for each IT administrator who needs access. To begin, click Settings, then Administrators. From the Manage Administrators page, click New Admin. Enter the administrator's name and email address. Next, select the Safe Internet features the administrator needs, such as audit logs, data management, and so on. If the administrator only needs read permissions to these features, select Read Only. If the administrator needs permission to add and remove other administrators, select Super Admin. Click Save to create the administrator account and send an email invitation to log in. The Internet is an important educational resource, and it's our job as administrators to ensure a safe and productive environment for students. Sometimes that means no cat pictures. Jamf Safe Internet makes it easy to tailor the web experience for students, eliminating dangerous content, distractions, and threats. For more information, take a look at the links in the resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another video.